Hey, what's happening, guys? What's going on YouTube? Good morning, everybody. You guys have tuned into another episode of Weird Products Daily. Weird Products Daily is a daily series we do. You guys are probably getting sick of this introduction, but for anybody who's new, this is a daily series we do where we share unique products, cool gadgets, interesting products, weird stuff. The idea here to get those creative juices flowing, get you guys thinking about possible business ideas, possible product ideas, items that you can drop ship, items that you can private label, just kind of getting you thinking about potential business ideas. I think a lot of these items would be great for drop shipping. They're oftentimes unique items people haven't seen before, and impulse buy type items. For those of you guys who are private labelers, a lot of these products you could improve, copycat, and private label yourself. Or if you just have a store within a particular niche and some of these items fit within that niche, a lot of these things would be great additions to your existing store. Without further ado, this is the Breaking Bad Incense Burner. This is a 1986 Fleetwood Bounder RV replica. And you can burn little incense cones or incense bricks in it. So first off, if you guys haven't seen the Breaking Bad series, you must have been living under a rock. That's one of my favorite series of all time. I was just trying to think of like what my favorite series are. I think probably my favorite series as of late is Ozark. I thought Ozark was an awesome show. Love Jason Bateman. Getting off on a little bit of a tangent here, but I love series shows. Right now I'm watching Euphoria. What are some of my other favorite ones? Breaking Bad was a great one. Sopranos, Band of Brothers. But if you guys, I'm always looking for new series. So if you guys have a favorite series that you can turn me on to, let me know. But getting back to the product, again, the Breaking Bad Incense Burner. We'll take a look at a couple different photos here. For anybody who's seen the show, Walter White and what was his name, Jesse, would drive out to the desert and cook meth in their old little RV. And so this is an incense burner that's supposed to be like the meth chemical smoke pouring out of the top of the RV. So I could see this being kind of appealing to a lot of audiences. There's a ton of people who are into like movie memorabilia and stuff like that, who like to decorate their home, home movie studio, home movie room, whatever, with all different types of movie accessories. I could see this being interesting to kind of stoners. Breaking Bad was kind of a stoner, very popular, kind of a cult classic among stoners, even though it was about meth and not weed. And I imagine this would probably also appeal to meth heads as well, although I don't know that meth heads have any money to spend. But anyhow, I thought this was kind of a really unique, really kind of clever product. One thing that I'd be kind of interesting to know, when we start getting into like copyright stuff, or I'm sorry, I guess it should be more trademark stuff, doing things that are in the likeness of something are generally okay as long as you don't try to capitalize on their name. My buddy, what's that movie? Fuck. I got a buddy who watches the channel, Icarus. Icarus. My buddy Icarus always has, I think he has some family who are trademark attorneys or patent attorneys. So he always has some interesting commentary on things like this. And here's kind of the interesting thing about kind of the trademark end of these things is if you wanted to do I guess this kind of hits it from two ends, but if you just wanted to make a generic looking RV incense burner, no problem at all. If you want to use the word Fleetwood Bounder, you may have to get permission or license that from Fleetwood, although for all I know, that's maybe a company who's out of business and isn't even around anymore. However, when you want to use the name Breaking Bad and kind of capitalize off the popularity of that series, an HBO series, a company who does go after people, now you're kind of getting into kind of a gray area. Maybe I'll check this listing out a month from now, 6 months from now, see if it's still sitting up here. Maybe Breaking Bad or HBO or whoever owns the rights to that series doesn't really give a crap. And I have seen there are a number of these Breaking Bad incense burners on Amazon. But you're kind of getting into a gray area here in terms of trademark. If anybody knows any more about that or can comment on that, drop a comment. I guess that's all I really have to say about this. Just thought it was kind of a unique and interesting product. Thought it could be a good impulse buy. It is a little bit expensive for what it is, but whatever. So that's today's video. If you guys enjoyed this Weird Products Daily episode, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button down below. If you want more videos like this, click that subscribe button. We do this series every day. And until tomorrow, guys, have a great day, and I'll catch you tomorrow for another episode of Weird Products Daily.